Apparently, this thing will help clean off all the soot. Whoa! Hey, this is Coach Bill 315, and we are going to be talking about this product right here. This is the UL scrubber, and you might be asking yourself, well, what is the UL scrubber, and what is Coach actually talking about? This allows me to use this product. This is a wood-burning stove, and I like the idea of using a wood-burning stove because you don't need fuel, you don't need a canister, you just need wood. But I stopped using this because of one issue, and the one issue is, maybe you already know, you get black soot everywhere. When you use this, all that wood that you're burning to boil some water or cook whatever you're trying to cook on your frying pan, you get that black sticky stuff, and it becomes a pain in the butt to actually pack it away. Like, you have it all over your hands, it's sticky, you don't know if you should go ahead and grab like a garbage bag and just pack it out and just have it be dirty. Well, I stopped using my coffee mug, this one right here, in the wood burning stove because it was so gross. But a company sent me this right here, and I don't have a little partner deal with them, and to be honest, I actually thought it was a gimmick item. They sent this out to me, and they didn't really say much. They're like, hey, yeah, I don't know, check it out. So I said, okay. 5 months later, I'm finally trying to use something different, like a wood burning stove, and I brought this, and I went ahead and used it. Alright, so we got all the soot. Apparently, this thing will help clean off all the soot. This is one of the reasons why I don't take a wood burning stove, but I got time today, so let's test this thing out. Get it wet again. Oh my gosh. Actually working pretty good. Let's try it on the spot that it's like really dark down here. Some life coming out over there. This stuff has had stuff on it for years too. It's working. And I just want to go over the specs before I start going off on this whole spiel. This weighs a ½ ounce. It's not that heavy, and when you're cooking, you can actually use it as a little pot holder, because when that fire is going up hot, this is not going to melt. It has a fire resistance of 1200, so it's not going to melt, it's not going to burn your hand, and it's because it's made out of this strong material. I don't know if you can see it, but this is not going to rip. It's made out of that steel, stainless steel, and look at that. That's tough stuff. And it dries fast too. So it has a bunch of different specs that I like. But the one thing that I wanted to test out, does it clean my pot? And you can see how dirty this pot is in the video behind me. And this, I mean, look at that. That is so, like, you can actually see all the numbers. I haven't seen those numbers in like a couple of years. The last time I used the wood burning stove, it just covered this whole thing, and it was dirty from the bottom. Like, I still have some marks that I still haven't cleaned, but you can actually read it. It says Toaks 55 on it. I haven't seen that stuff in probably about 3 years. And this is that same mug that I'm using in the video, because you can actually tell by the bent right here. This is something that happened when I was out there backpacking and I fell. So I kind of used this as my wood burning stove cup because I didn't want to ruin any other ones. But now it's not ruined because of this product right here. Look at the frying pan. Frying pan is nice and clean. The back, smooth. You like that? Smooth. And everything that I cooked in here, you can still see some marks in here, but my fingernail isn't grabbing onto any of that stuff. And it's all because of this product right here. If you make a purchase, I'll leave the description down below. But yeah, I do get about 30, maybe 50 cents, so yeah, buddy. Thank you very much. But I do backpacking videos all the time, and I also like talking about different products. And if you enjoy content like this, where I'm out here backpacking, testing out stuff, just talking about gear in general, you might want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe! It's actually pretty cool, right? I like it. Woo, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah, buddy.